start. So this is what you see, the first job that a company is providing. Nextronics is looking for cybersecurity operations center. They are looking for SOC professionals to join their team. They have two openings. First thing is SOC Analyst L1, and second is SOC Analyst L2. So for SOC Analyst L1, they are looking for three openings, and for SOC Analyst L2, they are having four openings, right? So basically, uh, 1 year of experience required for SOC Analyst, right? And guys, like if you have 1 year of experience, then you can apply for SOC L1. If you have 3 years of experience, then you can easily apply for SOC L2. And probably you'll get a lot of things, right, while doing all those things. So this is mail ID on which you drop your resume. Next is someone is spending cybersecurity team. They are looking for five positions. First thing, like HR intern, they want freshers. Second is 3+ years of experience required for SOC L2. Third is they want SOC L1 1 to 2 years experience. For GRC consultant, they want 1 to 2 years experience, and for VAPT senior VAPT consultant, 3+ years experience required. So that is basically in Delhi NCR, right? So if you want to apply, you can, right? Trojan Horse India, by the way, the company name where you can apply for the role. So this is what they have, right? Now next opening is basically Cyber Meto is the company who is hiring for GRC analyst, SOX readiness. So just pause this video, you can check it out. This now the next opening is in Wipro. Someone is hiring for the Palo Alto Global Protection Firewall, right? 4 to 10 years experience required. Like you might be seeing they are looking for 4 to 10 years experience, right? But like 4 to 10 years experience is also giving you a lot of salary, 17 to 26 LP, right? And 30 days of notice period required. Palo Alto firewall knowledge is important, and all those things you can see, right? Palo Alto plus GP plus Panorama is what you need to add in the subject line. And this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now the next opening is SOC Analyst L1 and SOC Analyst L2. They are hiring in India and Nepal. So you can pause this video and look it out exactly what they are hiring for. And this is a mail ID on which you will drop it, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for an internship in SOC, you can check this below URL. If you're looking for training of internship program on web pen testing, check for this URL. Now the next opening is basically in IBM, right? They're looking for IBM Guardian consultant. Company name is Inspire Enterprise, right? But they're hiring for this position. Kochi is the location, which is in south. Second is 3 to 5 years experience required. And this is immediate joining. So this is what you can see, right? Next opening is in Lucknow, cybersecurity engineer, 3 to 6 years experience is required. And like what you can see here, you can pause this video and check it out what they're looking for. This is on site, which means work from office. And this is, you can see, Ansika.Agrawal at ebcpublishing.in is the company where they're hiring for, right? Now the next is SOC Analyst level 3, work from office full-time role in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and like this is a good role, I guess, because they are immediately hiring. So probably you'll get hired very quickly. They are the key responsibility you can see here, and this is the mail ID, preethi@epicindia.com, right? Now that's what we have for today. Now you can ask your cybersecurity question. Now you can ask whatever cybersecurity question you have. This is, if you're looking for Hindi content for this same channel, you can check out Cyber Coffee YouTube channel. Training and internship program web application. If you're looking for internship, check out this URL. If you're looking for associate internship, check out this URL, right? So please go ahead and let me know in the comment box if you have any question. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Now you can ask your question.